Hi, hi there, hi everyone. Welcome back with the fifth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday, June 4th, June the 4th, yes, 2020. Yes, this one is a Tectonic, a.k.a. Suguru in Japanese. And the first question is, can we find the single box here? I do not think we have a single box here. Second question, do we have a dual box? No, I see only a triple box here. Alright, so let's get started. This triple box, 1, 2, or 3, I cannot place a 1 here, so the 1 should be here or there. And the 1 cannot be here because the 1 in these 3 boxes surround the 1. Suppose it's a 1. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1, and this box can also not be a 1. We have a 1 there, and I need a 1 in one of those 4 boxes. So the 1 cannot be here. The 1 should be here. So the 2 and the 3 are left. The 2 and the 3 are left. The 2 and the 3 are left. We have a 4 here, so that means those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. The 4 should be here or there. Quadra box with 4 numbers. We have a 2 here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. The 2 should be here or there. Yes, I see here a 1. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. The 1 could be here or could be there. Now I see here. This area, we have a 3 here. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The other 2 numbers should be the 2 and the 5. The 2 and the 5 are left. We have a 4 here. That means those 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. We have a 4 here. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. I see I have marked those 2 boxes with a 4. This box cannot be a 4 anymore, so this should be the 4. We have 3 boxes left in this area. The 1, 2, and the 3. I see here 2, so no 2 in those 2 boxes, so the 2 should be there. This box cannot be a 1 anymore, so the 1 goes there. And 1 box left for the 3. We have a 3 here, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. This box should be the 3, and this box should be a 2. We have a 3 here, and this box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here or there. Quadra box. We have a 4 here. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here or could be there. And then here, this area. The 2 and the 4 already filled in. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1, 2. The 3 is missing and the 5 is missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. The 5 goes and there. Then these two boxes cannot be a 2. The 2 could be here or there. Those two boxes cannot be a 2. The 2 could be here or could be there. Let me see. These two boxes cannot be a 5. Those two boxes cannot be a 5. One box left for the 5 should be here. We have one of those two boxes with a 2. So this box cannot be a 2. Otherwise, I cannot fill a 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 could be here or could be there. This box cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 4. We have two boxes left for the 1 and the 4. Yes. So this box should be a 2. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2 and this should be the 5. And then I think this box should be a 1. It cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. Yes, this should be a 1. 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Ay, 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 ay. Let me think. Think. Yes, this box should be a 4. It cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3. Should be a 4, cannot be a 5. So it should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this cannot be a 4, this should be a 1, and this should be a 4. We have a 1 here, means those 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. 1 should be there. 1 box left for the 1. I see we have marked those 2 boxes with the 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1. This box cannot be a 5. So the 5 should be here or there. This box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here or there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 3, 2, and 5. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 should be here or there. Okay. These two boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 should be here or there. I need a 4 in one of those two boxes. Suppose this box is a 4, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. This box should be the 4. This should be the 4, alright. So those two boxes are left for the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. We have a 3 here, that means those two boxes cannot be a 3. The 3 should be here or there. Yeah. We have a 3 here. We have a 4 here. So in this box, cannot be a 1. Should be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be a 4. And there is a 5 here. So this should be a 2. With a 2 here, that means those two boxes cannot be a 2. So we have a 2 over there. So this box cannot be a 2. So one box left for the 2 should be here. Those two boxes cannot be a 3. So one box left for the 3 should be there. The 4 and the 5 are left. The 4 and the 5 are left. We have a 2 here, that means those two boxes cannot be a 2. One box left for the 2 should be here. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3, one box left for the 3 should be here. And one box left for the 5. We have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2. The other two boxes left could be a 2. This box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here or there. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or there. These two boxes cannot be a 3. These two, so the 3 could be here or there. This box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be the 5. So the 5 could be here or there. This is a 3, yes, okay. What box is this then? It cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3. It should be a 4 and cannot be a 5. It should be a 4, okay. So we have a 4 here, so we have 2 boxes left in this area. This box cannot be a 4. So one box left for the 4 should be here. This should be a 3. We have a 3 now, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. One box left for the 3 should be here. The 5 and the 2 are left. Here cannot be a 5. So the 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 2. This cannot be a 2 anymore, so the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left here, the 1 and the 3. It cannot be a 1 here, so the 1 goes here and the 3 goes here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or there. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4. This should be the 4, and this should be the 5. We have a 3 here. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. We have a pair now. 5 and a 4. 5 and a 4. Cannot be a 5 here anymore. So the 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. These two boxes cannot be a 3. The 3 goes here. We have a pair, the 2 and the 4. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4. This should be the 4. And this should be the 2. Alright, yes. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left, 1, 2, the 3 and the 5. We cannot place a 3 here. We have a 3 over there, so the 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. The 2 and the 3 are left. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. Those 3 boxes cannot be a 3 because it's surround the 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then this box cannot be a 1. We have a 1 here. We have a 1 there. So this box cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 and a 4 are left. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4. This should be the 4, and this should be a 2. And now here, 3 numbers left. Those 2 numbers cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This box cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And the final number of this box should be the 5. Finish in 17 minutes exactly. Yes. Yes. I solved this within 30 minutes. Very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Don't forget to subscribe if you like or if you want, and hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching this episode, and keep on puzzling, people, and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you and bye bye.